So what is anxiety? There are different types of anxiety. So people can have generalized anxiety or social anxiety. They can have anxiety that happens with panic attacks or just anxiety that they feel every day. So really what it is it's a feeling, and it's a feeling where you feel like your mind is out of control. You feel like your mind is racing. You feel like your heart is pounding out of your chest. You feel nervous most of the time. Now, of course, life itself can make us anxious at different points. That's completely normal and natural. And when there's a precipitating event like a big presentation or something big coming up, a big life event, it's normal to feel some anxiety and anxious. We're naturally wired to have those emotions. But at what point does it become problematic and pathological, or what point does it become that it's interfering with daily life and prevents you from doing things that you want to do? And the answer to that is really about the degree to which it's happening in your life. So are you anxious most of the time during the day? Do you wake up anxious? Can you not sleep at night because you're anxious? Are you avoiding certain things because you've got anxiety, or is there something that's changed in your life because of anxiety? Further, if you are getting panic attacks, which is really a sign that it's almost like I call it a mental heart attack, that something's really wrong, where you have, you can't breathe and you get short of breath and you feel like your chest is pounding, your chest is pounding, and you're really, really nervous. And that lasts anywhere from 10 minutes to 15 minutes to a few minutes, but you literally feel like you're going to die. It's the worst feeling in the world for people that have ever experienced something like that. If and when that happens, and if that's happening to you, even if it's happened once, that's a sign from your body that you need help and you need to speak to someone, because that's really just a combination of, anxiety, everyday anxiety, accumulating and telling you that it's gotten really severe. A lot of times with anxiety, the interesting thing about it is that people don't know they have it. We live in our own minds. So when you're living in your own mind, you don't have a perspective about what's normal and what's not, right? No one can just open you up and say, hey, that's wrong. I can't just do an x-ray and show you what's wrong. Once again, that's why it's so important to come in and get an evaluation to know whether what you're experiencing is within the normal realm of experiencing anxiety, or whether you have something more severe that you need more help with.